And we are back with the Ford. I'm still twisted, but still a Ford. In this video, we'll be replacing the windshield wiper fluid reservoir tank, so the washer reservoir tank. I'm going to say replacing in quotes because I'm not really replacing it. I'm just going to try to patch the leak in it. I don't know if any of you have actually looked into it. Apparently these tanks are discontinued and they're like $150 from the dealer. And I think that's a little bit too much. So I'll try to hack fix, and if it works, it works, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. But at least in this video, you will see how to take it out and put it back in to remove the tank. You need to pop the hood. Under the hood, you have your lid, T25. Well, I mean, it's already off. Oops. Don't lose that. This will loosen the neck so you can move it around easier. This is why the wheel is turned, so I can have easier access to here. You have hose here. Connector here. Put your hand in, pinch, pull up. You have one 10mm right here. Another 10mm back there. So following the reservoir down, you can see right there how it's a press fit. I should have probably pulled this out before I unscrewed the tank. So there it is. Now I got this pipe out. I'll probably clean it a little bit. Back up top, a couple things I missed. You are not going to be able to see it probably through here, but right here you have the wiper line right there. You can't really, there it is, right, I'm pointing at it right there. And then that wire is one of the connectors. The second one, you just need to flip up on the tab and you can pull it out, and then you raise up the whole assembly and pull it out to like lift up and pull back. At this point, this thing is almost loose. You pop out that, pop that out. This is the same connector as that is up top, so you just flick it out one way. Easier said than done. Flick it out like so, and pull that out. And then you have your last connector, which I couldn't figure out how to take off, but it looks like you just squeeze it on top, and it should come out. See that tab? It's right up top. Squeeze and pull it off. I think I need two hands, so we'll do this and be back. And this is the whole assembly that cost $150. And I was just looking at it, I'm like, dude, honestly, watch this. Oh, this thing's already cracked, never mind. But man, it's no wonder these things break. Look how thin this plastic is. It's no wonder they break. Mine has a leak from this corner. Hacky fix, don't pay attention to that. We're replacing this. But pretty much up top, this is the connector I was telling you about. Flick up, pull out, and this is how it kind of clips into there. So it's pretty much, you kind of have to like finesse it out of there. But let's fix her up. I'm gonna do that off camera because it's a really hacky fix, not advised, and we'll put it back in. Okay, here we go. Let's try this out. It goes like this. It goes like that. Easiest way to put it through is through the bottom, of course. If you were to get the car jacked off the ground, this would be a little bit easier. But there we go. Let's kind of get it in the valve position where it goes. Now I'm going to go up top and kind of finish guiding it in. I'm going to do that off camera because it's a really tight fit. Okay, now that we got them all installed, let's plug this connector in. Bigger one goes further back here. Click. Top one here. Water line there. Clean up the connectors real quick so they're all nice and clean. I also already tightened to 10 millimeters. Back up top with our cleaned funnel thingy majiggy. Going from the side so I can see it go in. There it is. Now let's get that aligned. Hit start. There we go. If you've made it this far, you're probably wondering, did he fix it? Let's find out. This thing is bone dry, so we'll try not to spill too much water so that we don't skew the results. That was almost a gallon of, that was about half a gallon of water. And let's see, is it leaking? And icy dripping. Oh no. Let's see where it's coming from. Well, guess where it's coming from? Well, that was a fail. Hey, but at least you saw how to remove it and put it back in. Hopefully that helped. I guess I have to buy a new one. That sucks.